Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Mid function in your Google Sheets. So I have a sample text here, which is Google Sheets. So I'm going to use Mid and then select the Mid. So now I want to extract. So I want to extract the characters. I want to extract the characters from this Google Sheet. So I'm going to write the exact the text, and then I want to extract it from the first letter. So I'm going to write 1, and then I want to extract the 5 letters, the first 5 letters. So I'm going to write 5. So hit enter. The formula has started counting from the first letter, which is G, and it has collected all the 5 characters from G. So we have 5. So let's say if I want to extract the characters from second place, you can remove 1 and enter 2 and hit enter. As you can see, it ignored G and it started counting after G, and it took 5 characters. So it depends on your requirement from where and how many characters you want to extract. Based on your requirement, you just add the text and then give a place where where it has to start, or and also how many characters it should collect. So this is how you can use Mid function. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.